Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Minds of Machine. Today we will be covering the last topic of our tutorial of prompt engineering, which is the last technique called as expanding. Expanding is the task of taking a shorter piece of text such as set of instruction or list of topic and having the large language model to generate the longer piece of text such as an email or essay about some topic. So there are many use cases of this, like a large language model as a brainstorming partner, or you want to create an email based on the content you have. So as you can see, the first step in this tutorial we will be is importing our open API key, and then we will be defining our get completion API, that is the chat completion API, using the GPT 3.5 turbo model, which will give us the response. So in our first example, which we will be doing, is we have provided a sentiment which is negative, and we have given a review which is very long given by the customer. So now what kind of prompt in this we will be giving is, we will be telling that you are telling the model that you are a customer service AI assistant, and your task is to send an email and then give the customer email delimited by the triple ticks, and then we have generate a reply to thank the customer for their review. And we will also say that if the sentiment is positive or neutral, then thank them for their review, and if the sentiment is negative, then you have to apologize and suggest that they can reach out to the customer service. And also we have also told them to make sure use specific details from the review, and should be concise and in professional format and tone. And we should also have the sign the email as AI customer agent, and then we have passed the review and the sentiment in the curly braces, and then we are passing it to inside the get completion function. Now let's see what response we will get. So here you can see it is telling, dear valued customer, thank you for taking time sharing your experience, and it is apologizing, as I said it was negative sentiments, and it is telling all the required instructions which we were given in the prompt. And also it has signed in the email with AI customer agent. So this is how we can use the expanding technique. Now in our next example we are just using this concept called as temperature. Temperatures are basically a parameter in large language model, which allows us to change the kind of randomness of the model. It's like you will get a completely different response if you change the temperature. In our previous tutorial we have used the temperature as 0, so in most of the cases you should use it 0. But if you want it for a more creative way or for fun purpose, you can change the temperature higher. The more the higher, the more the model is creative. But if you are using it for your application, then you should keep it as 0 for other kind of business applications. So as you can see, the response is completely different from the previous one, where you will see the content inside the email will be, thank you for taking time to leave a review for our 17 piece, we are sorry to hear, as the words are completely changed. So in this way you can use the temperature when you want to be more creative. And so this is the end of our tutorial and the entire series of a tutorial for prompt engineering. Using these techniques you can create an amazing applications in large language model, whether it be in finance field or law field or any other fields which you feel that you want to create. And using these technique you will get a very nice applications. um, and once again, I would like to thank you for sticking in and tuning into my channel. And I hope you found this tutorial very useful and enlightening and has helped you in your journey of learning prompt engineering. Before I wrap up, I would like to remind you that the most important thing about learning is practicing. So keep practicing and apply these steps in while developing your AI applications. And that's all for this tutorial. Keep learning, keep creating, and please like and share my channel. I will see you soon in something next amazing video, say in the field of AI. Until then, take care and happy learning.